Welcome to PowerTool Safe. Today we're going to show you how to create records of existing tools and of new tools, both bare tools and kits, in seconds, so you have the records you need to protect your investment. Today we're going to show you how to use the Add Purchase feature. So when you have new tools, whether they're bare tools or they're a kit, we're going to show you how to attach a copy of your receipt and make sure you have all the information you need to protect your investment. There's two things that make it easy to get started. Start by checking the settings on your camera and set your file size images to 5 megapixels or less so that your images update quick. The other thing you can do on your phone that makes it a lot easier is set a bookmark on your home page so that you can instantly access your account. Because we are a web-based service, it's easy to use your phone to upload photos or create tool records and then log in from your desktop to see all the information that you just created and modify it from that end. So let's get going. If you look at your phone, once you've logged in, go to Add Purchase, select the Add Purchase, and it'll ask you to upload a copy of your receipt or take a photo of your receipt. So the first thing you do is take a good image of your receipt, make sure it's legible, and now you're good to go. Second thing it wants is QR codes or serial numbers, and you'll notice that on the box, most of your tools have a QR code right on them. That's your serial number. So the next thing you want to do is take a picture of that QR code. Once that's done, it's going to ask you for one more photo, which is going to be the UPC on the box. That UPC helps us understand, or helps PowerTool Safe understand exactly what that product is so we can get the right description, model, and everything else so we can complete your records. That's it. At that point, you've just created a complete record for this one. You can add another record. You can ask for our cataloging service. Our cataloging service will help you fill out information from your receipt so that you don't have to do anything. The other thing you can do is we can create another record. You can stop there or you can continue creating records. We're going to show you how easy it is to do the same thing with a kit. Just because a kit has more tools doesn't mean that we have to do more processes with it. The only difference is when we do that, we'll be able to get the QR codes or the serial numbers of usually only one or two items in the kit. Because all the information isn't on the box, we can still build records for the batteries, the battery charger, and everything else, but we're only capturing information on the box this way. So until manufacturers start working with us and they help us get those records all put into a QR code, this is where we're at today. So let's get started with the kit. So from the Add Tool Purchase, if it's a different purchase, again, just start by using the receipt. You can skip that if it's this part of the same purchase. But get a good image of the receipt. It'll ask you for the serial numbers on the box, which again, you'll see there's a serial number. This doesn't pertain to all the serial numbers of all the tools in the box, but it's the information on the box that we're capturing. And then it'll ask for the UPC. And with those three photos, that's it. Hit save, and you're good to go. Again, those records, it'll take a second for those records to generate. It'll create the records of everything that's in that box. You can then log in on your desktop. You go back later. You can add serial numbers. You can upload more photos. Once you open it, you can take photos of the tools and the serial numbers on those tools, and then you can upload those images. You can use our cataloging service that'll finish and complete those records for you and save you even more time. So that's it. Good luck, get some records going, and get the protection you need.